In my last video, I took this Maverick Quantum Flux straight out of the box and gave it a few drop tests. I thought I was going to break it instantly. I was wrong. This car actually survived that test and survived its first 15-minute drive with me deliberately smashing it head on into obstacles. I was running it on 2S batteries then. So today I'm going to load this thing up with 3S batteries and take it out. Hopefully I can clock a top speed on it. I can't believe I'm saying this. I've just flattened the battery and this car is still running. This is without a doubt an improvement on the first model or the first iteration of this Maverick Quantum. The previous one was absolute rubbish. The only thing that's really gone wrong today is that the clips that hold the body shell on, I've lost 2 full sets of those. With the cartwheeling and somersaulting that it's done, they've just disappeared into oblivion. Alright, so credit where it's due. Maverick Quantum, you've really turned up the durability scale on this one. This is an astonishing turnaround from what was a really disappointing product in the past. For $400, this car is great value, a lot of fun. Until next time, see you later.